Okay, hi everyone. This is an introduction to Lesson in a Box from Trinity School. This one is a physics box, one of two physics boxes that we've got. This one is based on electricity and is ideally suited for a Year 6 group. So this one we've broken down into 5 lessons, although one is optional, goes beyond the curriculum a little bit. So the first one's just, kind of designing a circuit, seeing how to make a complete circuit. So we've got lots of devices. We've got simple cables, we have batteries and sort of bulbs. That'll be the nice introductory lesson to how to create a complete circuit. Lesson 2 would be, this is the optional one. You can actually investigate things like series versus parallel, what are the differences and similarities. But that's great. That would be if you've got a really strong group of students. That's only something we usually taught at secondary school, series versus parallel. But there are resources available to help guide you through the teaching of that. We then have a lesson on voltage and resistance. So you can vary the amount of batteries that you put in a circuit. So you can increase the batteries and see how the brightness of the bulb is affected, or you can vary the number of bulbs you put in the circuit, connected to just one battery, and again seeing the more bulbs you put in the circuit, how bright or dim is each of the bulbs you put in, which really ties in with the Key Stage 2 curriculum. The third one is about, the fourth one is about designing a circuit. I really like this one. So you can do so many different parts of the kit here. We've got loads of things. We've got just simple switches. That's just a 2-way switch. This is actually a 3-way switch, a junction. And we've got things like a light-dependent resistor, a motor. We have a buzzer. We've even got things like different coloured LEDs. We've got a red one and a green LED, and we've got a variable resistor. So there's tons of things you can do with some of this bit of kit to design maybe a product or an electrical device you want to design that has some sort of function. So I've come up with a few ideas that you could do with these equipment, including what is quite a traffic light system. So you can see if I just connect this up, we've got a green LED and a 3-way switch. So if I switch this, it switches from the green bulb to a red bulb, and that way you can use a traffic light system. We could have this one over here, which is, if I connect the circuit, a dimmer switch. So we've connected my battery to a bulb and a variable resistor. So if you switch this, the brightness of the bulb goes up and down. So a nice little dimmer switch for your home. And the last one, I think I'm just going out of shot. This one is a burglar alarm. So I've connected this up. This is using the light dependent resistor. So if you've got a valuable object that you want to keep safe, that you don't want someone to steal, that if they lift it up, a little buzzer alarm goes off to tell you that someone's trying to nick your precious item. So plenty of scope there to design different products that they want with using different electrical circuits. There's even one about designing maybe a robot and what kind of things you need to design a robot. And the final lesson is about actually looking at how electricity is generated in the UK. So we have this lovely electrical generator at the back. So you just have to turn the wheel and you should see a little bulb light up at the front to see how we can turn movement into electrical current. All right, so that's all the lessons we have for the physics box. Hope you enjoy.